You know me, guys, I'm always on the lookout for a good deal, and I happened to find these used OEM Triumph hard cases for my Tiger Sport 660, and I bought them sight unseen, obviously. Now, they came without hardware. Why, I don't know. So I had to buy that separately, and when that comes, I will do a whole video about how to install these. Now, the big problem with it is that it came already with a lock and its own key. It's not really a problem, but why would you carry two keys when you can just carry one? And when I bought my Triumph Tiger Sport 660, part of the package were 3 locks that would go with my key. Now, because there was already a lock on each one of these hard cases, you have to remove that and install the new one. And there are no instructions. So I tore them apart and was able to do it. It's actually really easy. If you have a similar situation as mine, maybe it's the exact same cases, maybe they're different, but here's how you swap out the locks on these particular ones, if that helps you. Here we go.